How to fix Ticketmaster app won't let me sign in. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to move into your Ticketmaster app. So you might be in the position where you are trying to log into your specific account, but you are not being able to have access to your account. So in order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, head over to VPN. Enable this option. Connect the server where Ticketmaster app is available and can be used. Once you're connected, head over to your application Ticketmaster and then try logging into your account. It should fix the issue. If not, move into App Store and then search for Ticketmaster. Simply move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be the reason that you're having this issue. In this case, simply click on update and update the app. If not, try uninstalling the application and then reinstall it. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.